welcome back to my channel. Now we are having lunch in Makassar. We are trying the satay kambing. Let's dive in, guys. We have the Tong Sing kambing. So this is the Tong Sing from Klate, Central Java. Good morning everyone. Now I'm in Makassar City, Pasarikan Road, Jalan Pasarikan. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm looking for food, hunting for breakfast. So this is Makassar City. Okay, this is Cafe Dapo Sulawesi. Let's try this for breakfast. It's just in front of Swisswell Hotel. Fried banana, guys. We use sambal for the banana, fried banana. So I see you guys. See you guys. So we have friends from the States. Yeah, nice meeting you. Okay, see you. Bye. Bye. Yeah. Hi guys. Now we are having duck for lunch. Bebek Sulawesi. This bebek goyang Sulawesi, guys. It's famous for the duck. Hi, Bo. So this is Ice Tele. Our food is here. So this is Bebek Paleko Begos. It's a duck's meat, which means into pieces, and it's cooked with herbs, spices, chili, which is very spicy. This is the kangkong, and we have the smoked chicken. We eat it with nasi uduk. So nasi uduk is a rice cooked with coconut milk. So this is our food. Let's eat. Our friend Fanny. Mari kita makan. Hi guys, now I'm in Makassar Golden Hotel. So I'll take you around, guys. This place is really nice. Just look at the sea. This is the place that I'm staying, and it's just directly opposite the sea. Oh my goodness. Look at the sunset. Wow. Behind me there's the iconic mosque, Makassar iconic mosque. So it's a Losari beach. Nice. So that's the Losari beach. This whole stretch is Losari beach. And that's the mosque. So tomorrow I'll be going to Samalona Island. So it's just behind this island. It's another island behind this island.